bad practice. Lok Sabha discussing the council and the council discussing the Lok Sabha, leading to trouble between the two houses. I would ask you not to refer to the house. The reference that you have made to the other house will be expunged from the proceedings. This is the ruling of the chairman of that time.
Yes. No. Sir, I agree.
Why you are getting, Jairamji, why you are getting so agitated? You are getting so much of time than the treasury benches. I am giving you a lot of time, but even then you are getting agitated. I don't understand. If you want to put anything in your speech, you put. You ask your leader of the opposition to sit and you can speak.
Sir.
But you don't want. Nah, then letting him speak. Why you are interfering?
Sir, देखिए हम आपको टारगेट करके नहीं बोल रहे हैं, हमारा टारगेट उधर है और ये लोग लोकतंत्र को कुचलने का काम कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हम बात कर रहे हैं.
So, और save democracy, opposition should put their opinion, their thoughts, everything in the house. At the same time, treasury benches is also having their own right to defy your thinking. They have a right to answer to your questions. They have a right to answer to your opinions. They have every right to express their own opinions also.
Nehruji, most democratic man. Not these people. These people are only criticizing Nehruji, Indira Gandhi. They are misusing their power. They are misusing their authority.
In this house, that has not happened. Even the president's address, Nehruji has been praised. You might have noticed it. Now I ask.
No.
Now I ask Honorable Minister.
We don't want to listen of
Parliamentary Affairs. Yes.
आपको लीडर ऑफ द अपोजिशन को इज्जत दे करके चेयरमैन एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी आपको बुलाने दिया है. मैंने पहले भी कहा ये सदन आपको और हमारा मर्जी से नहीं चलेगा, नियम से चलेगा. और ये वही तो बोल रहा हूं. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. ही हैज टेकन द टाइम अगेन एंड अगेन. दिस हाउस बिलोंग्स टू एवरीवन. यू कांट टेक ऑल द स्पेस ऑल द टाइम. सर, नंबर 1, खड़गे जी ने मिसलीड किया इस सदन में. खुद बोलते हैं कि ये लीडर ऑफ द एल्डर्स माना जाता है. यू मिसलेड द हाउस. आपने बोला कि वहां लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन लोकसभा को बोलने नहीं दिया. ये आपने मिसलीड किया. उसको 40 मिनट्स तक 40 मिनट तक उसको स्पीकर ने टाइम दिया. वो रूल से बाहर बार बोल रहे हैं. स्पीकर का रूलिंग के बाद भी नहीं मानते हुए वो फिर रूल ब्रेक कर रहे हैं. और आप यहाँ मिसलीड करते हैं कि राहुल गांधी को बोलने नहीं दिया. आप ये मिसलीड. नंबर 1,
मिनिस्टर साहब, प्लीज वाइंड अप. Please wind up.
Number 2, leader of opposition said that if Lok Sabha doesn't function, how can Rajya Sabha function? He also said that both the houses run together, which is absolutely wrong. If leader of opposition can show me one rule that if Lok Sabha gets adjourned, Rajya Sabha should be automatically adjourned. Show me the rule. These two houses may constitute together for the concept of parliament, but the functioning of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are different. They are guided by different rules, and there's no precedent that if one house gets adjourned, the other house should also get adjourned. There's no such tradition, no such rule. Out of blue, suddenly today, why Congress party has taken up this issue of what is going on in Lok Sabha? We have allowed you to speak. After speaking all your time, you want to disturb Honorable Prime Minister. What tactics is this? We condemn these tactics of leader of opposition.
Now, Honorable Finance Minister, please.
Sir.
Hey, I am coming. I will give you everybody time. Can I give time to everyone together? Then please take your seat.
Sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. I respect the leader of the opposition, but I heard him say something that you people lynch. I'm sorry. I want that word removed honorable opposition leader is not right in commenting like this. One. And second, if he is talking on lynching, let me remind him that in Rajasthan, when Congress party was in ruling, based on some comment which one of our BJP lady spokesperson said, there was a lynching of a tailor and no action was taken. Nupur Sharma's comments on the TV, you lynched in your government. Lynching happened in Rajasthan. Even more, sir, one more. In Kerala, during Congress rule, the hands of a teacher, Father Joseph, was chopped off. What action did Congress party take in Kerala? Father Joseph, both the hands were chopped off. And that was Congress government. In Rajasthan, based on a comment made by Nupur Sharma, our spokesperson on the television, their government into a dam when somebody went and chopped off, lynched the tailor. Is he talking about lynching? Is leader of the opposition talking about lynching? Is it correct?
Please wind
Rajasthan
up.
and Kerala first.
Please wind up. Please wind up. Now. I'll take your seat. I am calling you. Please. I have to come one by one only. Already you have taken the 30 minutes of the individual members. There is no matters raised with permission is taking place. You please take. You please take your seat. You please take your seat. Let Bitaji. Unless you are taking your seat, I am not going to ask anybody to speak. What is this? 10 people can speak together. You please. I have already given you sufficient time for our honorable leader of opposition. Now, Tiruchi Shivaji.
Sir, just two things, sir. One is Rule 238(3).
1 minute.
First issue, sir, I have a second one. First is use offensive expression about the conduct or proceedings of the houses or any state legislature. Sir, the leader of opposition, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, has not mentioned any defaming of the other house, sir. Number one. Number two, your predecessor, earlier when there was an issue was discussed which was under sub judice. We quoted Rule 238. He said, anything under the sky can be discussed on the floor of the Council of States. That ruling still stays, sir. Unless it is overruled, that rule still says, so we can discuss anything, sir. Thank you.
तर राज्यसभेच्या कामकाजावर लक्ष असेल. दरम्यान लोकसभेत काल झालेल्या गोंधळासंदर्भात सभापती ओम बिर्ला यांनी तीव्र असंतोष व्यक्त केला. सभागृहाच्या प्रतिष्ठेचा अवमान होऊ नये याचं प्रत्येक सदस्यानं भान राखायला हवं या शब्दात ओम बिर्ला यांनी आज सकाळी सभागृह सुरू होताच सदस्यांना तंबी दिली आणि यानंतर त्यांनी तातडीनं सभागृह तासाभरासाठी तहकूब केलं. माजी आर्मी चीफ जनरल मनोज नरवणे यांच्या पुस्तकासंबंधी विरोधकांनी काल पंतप्रधानांच्या आसनाला घेराव घातल्यानं गोंधळ झाला होता.
एबीपी माझा, उघडा डोळे बघा नीट.